The Nelson Mandela Fidel Castro medical program are leaving Cuba after 5 years studying at the country's renowned medical schools. The program has been running for decades and aims to boost the number of doctors qualifying in South Africa. Our correspondent Giles Gibson went along to a special send-off event in Havana and sent this report.
Between South Africa and Cuba, viva! Viva!
The traditional slogan of the Cuban Revolution. From medical students hoping to bring about a healthcare revolution back home.
I want to bring nothing but change in the health system in South Africa, more especially the method that we're using here in Cuba, which is the preventative method, which is really lacking in South Africa. So I'm really hoping to bring about nothing but change.
And after 5 years living abroad, the students are also desperate to be back with their families.
I'm actually grateful that I'm finally going home to reunite with my family and be part of our professional team in South Africa.
Officials from the South African embassy in the Cuban capital say this is the largest group ever to graduate in the program's history. Earlier this year, the South African Department of Health put a question mark over the scheme's future, saying it will be scaled back after criticism over costs. But the government minister who helped start it says it's here to stay.
The future of the program is that the program is going to continue. We may restructure it to make sure that it continues as a national program, but it will continue.
Many of these students say they're taking a piece of Cuba back with them. And as they leave this Caribbean nation after 5 years of training, they're also bringing new skills with them to try to solve old problems at home. Giles Gibson, SABC News, Havana.